Whether you want to use WhatsApp Web or download the desktop app, I've got you covered. Today, I'm going to show you how to open WhatsApp on your laptop in just a few simple steps. Whether you want to use WhatsApp Web or download the desktop app, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. First up, we have WhatsApp Web. This is the easiest and quickest way to use WhatsApp on your laptop. All you need is your phone and a web browser. Head over to your favorite browser and type in web.whatsapp.com. On your phone, open WhatsApp. Tap the three dots at the top right, then select Linked Devices. Now scan the QR code on your laptop screen. You're all set. And just like that, you're logged into WhatsApp on your laptop. Step 2. Downloading WhatsApp Desktop. But if you want something more permanent, the WhatsApp Desktop app is a great option. Open Store app on your computer. Hit type to search WhatsApp. Click on the app. Here click on Get option. Once the file is downloaded, open it. Link your phone. Just like WhatsApp Web, you'll need to scan the QR code and you're ready to chat on your laptop. That's it. Now you can easily use WhatsApp on your laptop, either through the browser or the desktop app. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. Comment below if you have any questions.